Alright, it's time to install the PNY. This is the SSD portable 1 terabyte. So we will install in there and see how this Sentry Mode memory works. Alright, I opened the box, so here it is, brand new. Got it on Mercari, got a good deal out of it, like $45. I'm gonna use this Velcro tape to tape it in that area here. Okay guys, I kind of slammed the lid, this lid right here, and it tells me to close lid gently. So let me open this up. Okay, pull that out. All right, push this up, and there it is, the port for the Sentry Mode memory. So here's, compared to my hand, the size of this SSD, 1 terabyte. It's about yeah, palm of my hand, smaller than a palm of my hand. Nice. Here's the Velcro. I'm gonna cut it to the size of the SSD memory card, hard drive, whatever you call it. So here's the Velcro piece I cut to fit to this SSD card. So then I'll put this one here and put this one down there. Before I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna plug it in first to see if this is recognizable, okay, with Tesla. So this box comes with USB and USB-C plug. Nice. All right, I just plug it in, so I'm gonna do a testing, make sure it works, and let's format it first. So let's go to here, go to car. You're gonna go down to the safety. Okay, after you go to safety, you're gonna go down and format USB drive. Okay, hit it. Are you sure you want to format? Yes, I do. Format. There it goes. Formatting the drive for the dash cam. Format success. See, now it worked. Okay. Looks like everything is good. All right, let's turn on Sentry Mode then. Sentry Mode is on, guys. It is on. So the drive is working. Nice. It looks like the cable is too short, so I'm gonna have to place it right there then. All right, I'll be right back. I'll show you what my finished product is. Okay, I put the Velcro in the back of the SSD, and the other one is down there. USB gonna plug in there. That's gonna be slapped in there. All right, here's the final product. There it is. Velcro down there securely. Now we're good to go. Sentry Mode is good. Turn on Sentry Mode. And we're good to go. Thank you for viewing. Please like and subscribe for more updates. And here's the box.